smoke and the smell. Going home in the rain, running up the dark lane, past the jail and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways. The town I loved so well. In the early morning, the shirt factory horn called women from Cregan, the moor and the bog, while the men and the dole played a mother's role, fed the children and then trained the dog. And when times were tough, there was just about enough, and they saw it through without complaining. So deep inside is a burning pride, the town I loved so well. There was music there in the dairy air, like a language that we all could understand. I remember the day I earned my first pay. I played in a small pickup band. There I spent my youth, and to tell you the truth, I'm sad to leave it all behind me. For I learned that life had found me a wife, the town I loved so well. When I returned, how my eyes burned to see how a town could be brought to its knees. The burnt out cars and the bombed out cars, the gas that hangs on to every tree. Now the army's installed by the old gassy iron wall. The damn barbed wire gets higher and higher. With their tanks and their guns, oh my God, what have they done to the town I loved so well? The music is gone, but they still carry on. For their spirit's been bruised, never broken. They will never forget, but their hearts are set on tomorrow when peace once